Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Android version and whether you're using the stock camera or a third-party app, because menus differ. Once done, close background apps and enable Do Not Disturb so nothing interrupts testing. Now open the camera app, tap the settings gear, and switch to Pro or Manual mode. This unlocks ISO, shutter, focus, and white balance. Make sure the lens is clean and your phone is stable on a surface or tripod before proceeding to fine adjustments. Next, you balance exposure and focus to get a usable image. Reduce ISO for bright conditions and increase it in low light, but avoid extremes to limit noise. Once set, adjust shutter speed, faster to freeze motion, slower when steady or using a tripod. Use exposure compensation or lock exposure when your subject is backlit. For sharpness, switch to manual focus or use tap to focus. Enable RAW capture when available because it preserves. Finally, correct color and finalize your shot. Set white balance using a preset or a Kelvin value to match lighting. Check the preview and tweak if skin tones look off. Make sure stabilization is enabled, optical or electronic, and use a tripod or steady grip for long exposures. Once satisfied, save a RAW plus JPEG if available for flexibility. If you still see issues like crashes, odd colors, or lag, clear the camera app cache. Restart the phone, and if necessary, test a reputable third-party camera app to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.